Daxx the Dog here with another great manners tip from Mrs. McVeigh's Manners. Today my cool tip is about going to a party. When you get to a party, make sure you find the host and hostess right away. They are the people or dogs who live at the house or who invited you to the party. If you are hosting a party, greet all of your guests as they arrive and tell them where the food and drinks are located. Also, introduce them to some people if they don't know anyone. These great tips will help you host or enjoy your party. Daxx out.